Hi. I am your teacher. Call me Jay. Great to have you today. Let's start our class. What is a context clue? Context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meanings of new or unfamiliar words. Learning the meaning of a word, through its use in a sentence or paragraph, is the most practical way to build vocabulary, since a dictionary is not always available when a reader encounters an unknown word. A reader must be aware that many words have several possible meanings. Only by being sensitive to the circumstances in which a word is used, can the reader decide upon an appropriate definition to fit the context. A reader should rely on context clues when an obvious clue to meaning is provided, or when only a general sense of the meaning is needed for the reader's purposes. There are several different types of context clues. Some of them are: Number 1. Definition or description clue. The new term may be formally defined, or sufficient explanation may be given within the sentence, or in the following sentence. Clues to definition include, that is, commas, dashes, and parentheses. For example, his emaciation, that is, his skeleton-like appearance, was frightening to see. In this sentence, the skeleton-like appearance is the definition of emaciation. Number 2. Example clues. Sometimes, when a reader finds a new word, an example might be found nearby that helps to explain its meaning. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. For example, celestial bodies, including the sun, moon, and stars, have fascinated man through the centuries. In here, celestial objects are those in the sky or heavens. Number 3. Synonym restatement clue. The reader may discover the meaning of an unknown word because it repeats an idea expressed in familiar words nearby. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. For example, the mountain pass was a tortuous road, winding and twisting, like a snake around the trees of the mountainside. In here, tortuous means winding and twisting. Number 4. Contrast or /antonym clue. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An opposite meaning context clue contrasts the meaning of an unfamiliar word with the meaning of a familiar term. Words like although, however, and but may signal contrast clues. For example, the children were as different as day and night. He was a lively conversationalist, but she was reserved and taciturn. In here, taciturn means the opposite of a lively conversationalist. Number 5. Mode or tone. The author sets a mood, and the meaning of the unknown word must harmonize with the mood. For example, the lugubrious wails of the gypsies match the dreary whistling of the wind in the all but deserted cemetery. In here, lugubrious, which means sorrowful, fits into the mood set by the words wails, dreary, and deserted cemetery. Number 6. Cause and effect clue. The author explains the reason for, or the result of the word. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal context clues. For example, she wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, so she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. In here, culinary means food preparation.